Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn American vocabularies versus British vocabularies. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga amagambo yo mu cyongereza cy'abanyamerika tuyagereranye n'amagambo yo mu cyongereza cy'abongereza. Gusa mbere yuko dutangira, nibo utarakora subscribe, banza uyikore, like, share ndetse na comment. Mbafitiye andi makuru meza shaka kubagezaho nonaha. Abantu bose bifuza kwiga ururimi rw'icyongereza cyangwa se igifaransa, tubafitiye promotion aho turi kubigisha ku buntu. Twandikire kuri WhatsApp number iri hasi muri screen yawe, dutangire tugukurikirane aho waba uherereye hose. Waba uri mu Rwanda ndetse no hanze y'igihugu, turagukurikirana dukoresheje Zoom. American versus British. Ijambo rya mbere dufite apartment, flat. Apartment, flat, inyubako cyangwa se inzu. Ijambo rya kabiri dufite gaze, gaze cyangwa se petrol in British, petrol, peteroli. Ijambo rya gatatu dufite truck, truck, lorry, truck, lorry, imodoka nini zitwara imizigo, ari amakamyo manini. Sneakers cyangwa se trainers ni inkweto, ubwoko bw'inkweto. Abanyamerika bavuga sneakers, abongereza bavuga trainers. Twagiye, the next word is restroom, restroom, toilet, restroom, toilet, ubwiherero. The next words are soccer, soccer, football, soccer, football, umupira w'amaguru. The next word is yard, yard, garden, garden, ubustani cyangwa se umwanya uri hanze y'inzu, umwanya uri hanze y'inzu hashobora kuba harimo imboga, imbuto, ibyatsi, hashobora kuba harimo pasiparumu, ubusitani, nibyo bita yard cyangwa se garden. Check, check, bill, bill, fagitire cyangwa se inyemezabwishyu. Twongera tukagira can, can, tini, can, tini, idebe. Urugero, akadebe kavamo cyangwa se idebe cyangwa se agakoroboyi. Tumwe tuvamo saladini, amavuta, idebe cyangwa se umukebe. Natura tuvamo soso tomate, natwo n'udutini cyangwa se udukeni. Ubwo turimo turagereranya vocabulaire zo mu cyongereza cy'abanyamerika ndetse na vocabularies zikoreshwa n'abongereza. Mbibutse yuko ku bantu bashaka kwiga ururimi rw'icyongereza cyangwa se kongera urwego rwanyu, mwatwandikira kuri WhatsApp number iri hasi, turi kubakurikirana ku buntu. Iyi promotion nyabuna ntigucike, sharinga iyi video ndetse na bagenzi bawe bamenye aya mahirwe. Amagambo akurikira ni sidewalk, sidewalk, pavement, pavement, ni inzira ipavomye. Ijambo rikurikira ni candy, candy, sweet, sweet, bombo, bombo. Ijambo rikurikira ni cookies, cookies, biscuit, 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 biscuit. Flashlight, flashlight, torch, torch, itoroshi. Vacation, vacation, holiday, vacation, holiday, ni ikiruhuko cyangwa se holiday. Ijambo rikurikira ni cab, cab, taxi, taxi, itagisi. Ijambo rikurikira ni mail, mail, post, post, agasanduku k'iposita mu kinyarwanda. Ijambo rikurikira ni carrot, carrot, cyangwa se car park, car park ni ahantu hacururizwa imodoka. The next word is drugstore, drugstore, boots, boots, ahantu bacururiza imiti ni nka farumasi. The next word is eraser, eraser, rubber, rubber, igoma. Pants, trouser, pants, trouser, ipantaro. Attention, ahangaha mu cyongereza cy'abanyamerika pants ni ipantaro, ariko iyo ugeze mu bongereza hari igihe pants bayifashe nka underwear, utwenda tw'imbere bayifashe nka kenda k'imbere. The next word is chips, chips, crisps, chips, crisps, ifiriti, ifiriti. The next word is cell phone, cell phone, mobile phone, cell phone, mobile phone. Cell phone cyangwa se mobile phone ni telefone. The next word is closet, closet, cyangwa se wardrobe, wardrobe, akabati babikamo imyenda. The next one is garbage, garbage, rubbish, rubbish, igikoresho babikamo umwanda. Zipper, zipper, zip, zipper, zip, imashini yo ku myenda cyangwa se ku gikapu. Iriya mashini niyo bita zipper cyangwa se busy, engaged, busy, engaged. Airplane, aeroplane, ikibuga cy'indege. Doctor's office, doctor's surgery, icyumba ibiro bya muganga. The next word is the following: fries, fries, chips, chips, ifiriti. Hano dufite past participle y'inshinga zikurikira: dream, mu cyongereza cy'abanyamerika ihinduka dreamed, mu cyongereza cy'aba British ihinduka dreamed, dreamed. The next verb is to learn, past participle yayo ni learned, learned. Mu cyongereza cy'abongereza ni learned, learned, learned. The next one is whiskey, na whiskey yanditse gutya, whiskey, whiskey, byombi bisobanura inzoga ya whisky. The next word is verb to go, past participle of verb to go. Mu cyongereza cy'abanyamerika ni went, mu cy'aba British ni gone, gone. The next part is the following. Agace gakurikira ni akangaka ari nako kanyuma. Hano tubafitiye interuro zerekana uburyo grammar y'abanyamerika ndetse n'iy'abongereza biba bitandukanye. Reka tubirebere hamwe. Take vacation, go on holiday, kujya mu biruhuko. Take vacation cyangwa se go on holiday. Downtown, mu mujyi rwagati. Go downtown, jya mu mujyi rwagati. British, visit a city center, visit a city center. Downtown muri British ni city center, mu mujyi rwagati. Take a bath, take a bath. Have a bath, koga. Take a bath cyangwa se have a bath. The last sentence is the following. Interuro ya nyuma ni iyi ikurikira. Raise a child, kurera umwana. In British we say bring up a child, kurera umwana. In British we say bring up a child, kurera umwana. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned a lot of things. This video, I hope it was very helpful for you. It will help you to increase your level of English. Make sure you are subscribed, like, and share. Don't forget to comment on this video.